Good morning, YouTube friends. Today is the day 24 of our Himalayan mulberry update, and I've got to share to you this exciting look, YouTube friends. Look at that. I think I can get maybe some of the ripe Himalayan mulberry. So this is our fourth harvest. At the same time, YouTube friends, I cannot let this mulberry fruit stay for the whole day. I'm pretty sure once I'm gone to school with my wife, the birds will be taking place here and they're going to peck on those ripe Himalayan mulberry. So again, let me tell you, or if you're following with us since from the beginning, this is our fourth harvest, and I have done my first, second, and third harvest. I think that was usually in the afternoon after school. But look at here, YouTube friends, a lot of ripe ones, and they're easy to pluck off from the branch. And so a little more late this afternoon, maybe we will be seeing a lot of mulberry like fell on the ground like that one. I'm not sure if there's another. I think this one, it's because of the reason that this one is too much ripe already, and that kind of sweet, so sweet. Okay, here, look at that. I think this in our fourth harvest, I think we could have more, YouTube friends. My wife and I were discussing last night that we have to go to school early, but how can I go early with this? Oh, I'm so excited. A lot of ripe fruits right here, YouTube friends. We've got 3 in here, 2 small ones and 1 in average size, and I think more are turning a reddish color later today. The cats from the neighbors are peeing and pooing here. Makes me upset. It's so smelly here and we're not raising cats. Okay. I don't know how to like that. Maybe it's more visible, right? Okay. See that one? Okay. And there's still another one here, probably. Yeah. This one. Okay. I think we're all set right below here. So we'll move on to the next. See that one? That one. Is it clear? Oh. Once they're ready for harvest, sometimes you just touch a little bit. You don't have to exert much force to pluck the fruit from the branch itself once it's ready for harvest. Like this one, look at that. That kind of easy, right? This one. Wow. Because we have this shower last night, I guess. Oh, some of the bottom end are being bitten by maybe kind of insects, And so here, but it just rinse with it with water, clean water, and then you're all set, ready to eat all those healthy and nutritious Himalayan mulberry fruit. I think this is the last guy this morning. Okay, and most probably, we will schedule our fifth harvest this afternoon, likely. Okay, YouTube friends. So Himalayan mulberry update day 24, and this is our fourth harvest as well. I think the amount of fruits we gathered this morning, we just gathered this morning, kind of like similar to our second harvest. Probably this is our fourth harvest. Let me pause the camera for a bit, then I'll show you once all these fruits is in my left hand. And I think, YouTube friends, even we have more than our second harvest last other day. So this is what we've got this morning, November 17, 2022, like 20 past 6 in the morning. We're heading to school. So before doing that, we're preparing ourselves at the same time, and I'll have to check on the chickens at the chicken coop. And at the same time, like here, we do our fourth harvest of our Himalayan mulberry. So again and again, let me say that I have to reproduce this one more and more, so that we will have more Himalayan mulberry fruits here standing on these large spots, most possibly. And so we need to do the early and marketing right after the end of the season of this Himalayan mulberry here. We still have more fruits there. They're about to getting red, and here we can see some faded green, like turning white, pale color, and then some of them are getting red in color. And today, tomorrow, and the following days this week, and likely next week, most probably we're about to end the fruit season of this Himalayan mulberry by next week, because every day, afternoon and morning, we're trying to pick fruits, and as the days go by, then more fruits are coming to get ripe. And so we'll be back here this afternoon once we can still see more red, or probably we'll be back tomorrow morning for the next harvest or for the fifth harvest. But I can't do that tomorrow morning. Actually, I just remember I have my gate duty, so as much as possible my wife and I have to go early to school, like before 6 o'clock in the morning, and we need to make sure that we'll be arriving at school. We will arrive at school at or before 7. So the current scenario with our onion chives right there, YouTube friends. And still I haven't touched what's inside in our garden enclosure. So hopefully this weekend I can do, Saturday and Sunday I can do live streaming of what we're going to do, or any kind of progress we're going to do inside that garden enclosure. At the same time, I'll do live streaming hopefully within this week after school. I think I don't have much time. We arrive usually at home like around 5 or 30 past 5, so it's already dark, or it's about to get dark, and we don't have much time to do that. It's not visible to the camera anymore, and I still have other things to do. So likely we will do the live streaming in our garden during weekends. So thank you for watching, YouTube friends, and see ya on the next vlog. Bye.